my wheels is back. Look at this, guys. Look at the edges. It's like brand new again. No more curve rash. Just gonna get it mounted and balanced and put it back on the car. If I can take out these ugly stock wheels. But yeah, super light wheels. Look at that, guys. It's like a new wheel. We have the mobile tires here. So gonna mount the wheels so I can put it back on the type R. So let's go do that right now. Guys, I want to say a big thanks to Blast Coating. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for him. He's one of the best powder coat guys around Florida. You know, he just redid the wheel for me and it's like I said, brand new again. So big up Blast Coating. And check them out, guys, if you're in Florida, or he does awesome work. So yeah, once again, guys, I want to say big him up. You see me? Respect every time. I love how the car is like back to how I love it. So yeah, guys, once again, big up Blast Coating. I just need a sticker now. I need to order the sticker. It's yeah, that's the only thing I need to get. The Volks Racing and let me show you how it look. Need to get back this sticker. These stickers. This one and this one. Well, respect again, Blast Coating. Thanks, man. Car look awesome again. Yeah. So I'm here picking up my son from school, so like I want to see his reaction because he haven't driven in this car like for months. And he loves this car. So let's see how he reacts to it when he sees it. Hi Leo, your car is back.
Yay!
Yeah. You want to drive?
Yeah.
You want to drive? Yeah? Let's go. Let's go for Kylo. Let's go for Kylo, okay?
What?
It's here?
Yeah.
Where?
Okay.
Hey! What's that? What's that? That's your car. Whose car is it? Go touch your car. He's so excited to see his car. You missed it? You miss your car? You miss your car? Yeah? You miss your car? Yeah? Ready to go home? Guys, he's super excited. I'm about to take him home now. Well, we're gonna find out how fast his Type R is today. I'm gonna run against my friend Carlos. He has a 2018, I think, Honda Accord, which he did some work to. And guess what, guys? It's a manual. It's not a lot of manuals out there, so we're gonna put him up against the Type R today. He did, as I say, he did some work to his car. So when I link up with him, I'll make him tell you guys what exactly he has done to the car and how much power he's making and everything. So I'm about to go meet up with him right now, and then we're gonna make this race happen. I'm really excited because I kind of want to see what the Type R does against, like, you know, a car like that. And it's an awesome car, guys. A manual, so let's go check it out. Here comes Carlos. This is the 2018, I think, Honda car, guys. say it's manual. What's up, bro? Ready to make it happen?
Always.
Now you're gonna like give me probably about 2 car gap. And this is to I hear about this car.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I've never really raced this car. Like my car, I've never really raced it. Like never. Like I remember one time me and Chris, but we had the family in the car. It was like just rolling and stuff. But like never really had any big race like this. And I always like love your car. So like tell me like I know the guys are gonna be thrilled to hear it's a manual because you never see a manual here.
Oh,
So
yeah.
tell me a little something about the car before we go into the goodies. Before.
Nah, man, it's just a typical. It's full bolt ons, PRL intercooler, mission motor intake. It has a Type R turbo, Type R inlet.
Stock engine still.
Stock engine. Yeah,
okay.
and I haven't touched the engine inside.
Right.
What else? Really, on the engine, that's basically it. Mission motor catch can, which doesn't give you power, so it's.
How much power you making?
Last time I went to a dyno, I did 380 and 360 torque.
Oh wow.
It's on mild tune. I did.
Okay.
I
Tuned
brought it
by
down.
who tuned?
Durf.
Durf. Oh, big
Yeah,
up Durf.
tune.
Yeah. Let's see. I mean, let's see some more of the car. As you can see, guys, it's just different. I love the lights. I love what you do with this.
I
stands
love
out.
it. It's functional.
Yeah. It stands out.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
I mixed and match. I have my mission motor intake with the pyrocopter over here. That's loose so that I can have access easier to the filter.
In case of rain or so?
Hmm?
Or in case of like...
No, just to replace.
Oh, just replace.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was cleaning it the other day, so that's why it was loose.
So what's the other special thing you want to show me about the car now? Like there's something special about the car. I think it's in the interior. Interior, yeah. What's so special about the interior?
The interior, I mean, not everybody has that. So
Let's look at the interior, guys. Oh, wow. Okay. So as you can see, it has a Type R. Basically a Type R interior. Yo, this is nice, cars. Your car is nice. And of course, manual.
Yep, I can shift now.
You change the clutch after you made that pull?
It has a Type R clutch and flywheel. It's had it for a long time now.
All right. So
I'm on the second one. First one I did about 80,000 miles with that clutch.
Yeah.
Came out perfectly fine, so
Okay.
just put the same one again.
All right. So you ready to race?
Always.
Yeah, I know, right? Please take time with me, all right? Because my car is slow. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's slow. It's beautifully slow.
No, man.
No, bro.
We
We love racing. It is what it is.
Yeah,
You see
man.
me? So let's just have some fun.
Always.
All right, bro. Yeah. This video is sponsored by Simple Carbon Fiber, and today I'm going to show you the Cash and Card Slim Wallet. Now this is to replace this bulky thing here. We don't use this again, and I'm gonna tell you why, guys. 4 to 6 cards, cash, and it's just so comfortable in your pocket. You don't need anything else. So check them out, guys. Simple Carbon Fiber. You want to take out a card, you just squeeze here, card comes up, you pick a card. It's so comfortable to have in your pocket. So the link is in the description below, guys. You can enter MSR 10 and you get a 10% off on this product and other products too that they have. They have phone case holders. Look at this product. This is for the iPhone 13, but they have for other phones as well. So as I say, link will be in the description below. So all you have to do, guys, is just check them out. Simple Carbon Fiber, really nice product. And as you can see, I'm in love with mine. I just like every minute I take it out of my pocket just to show off. Now back to the video. So guys, we're gonna about to go race right now. So let's see how fast his car is compared to mine. All right, first run, guys. That's fast. That is fast. Oh, that is fast. Yeah, that is fast.
Huh?
First run, guys. That's fast. I need some more power. I need some more power. You go again? Let's do that. Let's do a final one. Where you moving out from? First? You moving out from first? You moving out from first? Second? Okay. All right, cool. Faster than me, guys. Yeah, good run. Good run. So there you go, guys. Faster car. Love this car. Big up Carlos. Car machine. This car is really nice. Let me see the tires that he's running. BF Goodrich. Carlos, what series tire is this? What series tire?
BF Goodrich.
What?
Come to.
Oh, come to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are the street center.
Oh, okay. So yeah, guys, we're about to leave out now. Carlos, respect, you know. Pick up yourself.
Always.
Yeah, man. Fast car.